Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So before we get into the video, let's give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new around here, go ahead and hit subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So AMC, guys, final take. This your final chance to load up while it's still cheap, in my opinion, guys. I do believe this thing is ready to run, and it's about to run hard, guys. We didn't get the action that we was expecting to get in the pre-market, guys, but still some solid action, either or, because if we did continue to see that huge demand in the pre-market and that spike up to 22, 23-ish, we could possibly then see, a nice pullback, a greater pullback once the market actually open, guys. But due to the fact that we is already, instead of going up in the pre-market, we started trending down, giving back, pulling back some, it's giving us that timestamp. Like I was talking about in last night's video, if we got enough time throughout the day to fulfill the price action that we should see. So, meaning if we could go ahead and get the pullback, if it's going to pull back, which it is doing it in a pre-market, if it can go ahead and do that early on, which is better, which is always better when it do it from 4 to 9 than instead of pulling back at 9 o'clock to 9:30, whenever the rest of the retail investors can get involved. If it went on ahead and pulled back early like it did, that's giving us good signs, though. Even though I know you probably like, oh man, we about to go back down. Nah, I don't think it's about to go back down on today. Of course, we're going to come back down and find what support is. We expect to come down and test around 17, 18. We want to hold up. We want to hold up at the low 18s, but 17 worst case scenario. So we was expecting that. So for us to go ahead and get that up out of us in early pre-market, because we already trading down at around, it's down when I looked at like $18.50, somewhere up in that area. So we already trading down near that $18 support area. If we could go ahead and come down, test support early on, then soon as the market open, it might want to break that 18 just to mess with your psychology, mess up a lot of new people that just rushed in. It could possibly even drop lower than that, but I'm sure it's going to rip right after making that quick little drop, guys, rip straight back up. That'll just be to try and scare off the people that just barged in and rushed in from having all their money on the sidelines, waiting for confirmation, waiting for a signal to the upside before barging in. Then the algorithm will come and try to drop the price down just to scare those people off before ripping it harder, guys. So that's exactly what we want to see in this early pre-market. If we didn't get that push like we was expecting, this is okay to see too, as long as we hold up at the levels that we was expecting to hold up at, guys. Then once the bell open up, the start of the day, we got all day long to continue with this uptrend, because we done got the pullback out of the way. Now we got the whole day in front of us to see a great, a nice little run for us, guys, because we're expecting to go up and test that resistance at 23 on today. And like I told you guys, if we have enough time throughout the day, we could even see a bigger spike than just hitting that 23. After testing 23, of course, it's going to pull back a little bit, shake that tree before ripping higher if we have enough time throughout the remaining of the day. Also, then not just AMC that's pulling back pre-market, the whole entire market. The market went crazy yesterday. A lot of different sectors, a lot of different stocks. Everything is moving simultaneously. So it all pulled back just to here in the pre-market, a good little bit in the pre-market. That's, expected, guys, after having a day like that. Now, hopefully today, we don't continue to give those gains back from yesterday, and we could continue this momentum from yesterday, and that was just a pullback to test support just to rip us higher once the market open, guys. So that's exactly what we're expecting today. We're expecting a beautiful day for AMC today, guys. So let's go ahead and, you already know, scrap up, because this thing is ready to take flight. That's all I got for this video, guys. You already know what to do. Consider joining the family. Post over here every single day. Add your boy on Instagram at The B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.